or welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Coco and I hope you're doing good. So for today's video, I'm actually going to talk to you guys about Teangle, a company that does matcha and other goodies. So they sent me this package that I'm going to open with you guys. I opened the box already, but I didn't really look at the products yet, so I'm gonna do this with you on camera. So let's get it started. So there goes the box. So there goes the box from Teangle. Of course, if you follow me on Instagram, then you probably see that they always include this cute little message cards. I love cute little message card. It says, stop, take a breath, big sip of a new collagen matcha. So that's the product. The main product of this unboxing is the Teangle Matcha Collagen coconut. Actually guys, coconut. So I cannot wait to taste this and see how it actually tastes like, because matcha and coconut collagen, I hear a lot of good things for collagen in general. It's 100% natural. It's good for skin, hair, nails, and joint support. It has 30 milligrams of caffeine per serving, and there's 1 gram of matcha per serving. So this is gonna be a good boost for the day, so I cannot wait to try and include this more into my routine, my daily routine. So stay tuned for that. I'm gonna give it a try and I will get back to you guys. So it's keto friendly, gluten-free and sugar-free as well. So that's for the matcha. Second, we have the so it comes with this. I'm so excited about this. So this is a milk frother. Of course, you guys probably know from the design. You already know it's a milk frother. If you're a caffeine lover and cappuccino lover, or anything that comes with milk and having to do it at home and you don't necessarily have to go buy it like in the coffee shop or anything, this is great. So what's nice with this, it comes with a charging cable and also with 2 attachment heads. So as you can see, those 2 attachments head right here. So you can use this for multiple things. I think you could use it to beat your eggs. You can use it for your coffee, but just to say for your morning, this is an amazing amazing tool to have in your kitchen. I was so excited to receive this. It makes your milk be like creamy. Next, we have those little pouches. The little pouches that I got already, and I absolutely love the chai. The chai is my favorite. So these 3 little pouches, there's the ginger lemongrass, the chai, which is the orange one, and then there's the peppermint one. I absolutely love the chai. I haven't tried the peppermint yet, but I'm going to try this very soon. So since I'm part of the Teangle family and this is a collaboration, I feel like they also sent me another gift. So I'm gonna open it with you guys. So it came like this. So let's see what it is. I feel like it's a mug. I'm hoping it's a mug. Yes, it's a mug. And there's something written on it. It's so huge, guys. Amazing. So it's written Hakuna Matcha. Hakuna Matcha. I love it. I love it. At first I thought I said chai, but it's Hakuna Matcha. So matcha, Hakuna Matcha. We're gonna go get some matcha upstairs. So matcha waiting for. We're gonna go upstairs and get yourself some matcha, and I'm gonna show you guys how I do it. We're gonna do this together. We're in this together. So if ever you guys wanna order some matcha from Teangle, you can use my code, which is COCO15. So use the code COCO15 and you'll be able to get 15% off your next matcha order if you'd love to try a new matcha company. And don't tell anybody, but I'm telling you, the chai is the best one for me. So we're gonna try the coconut and gonna give you guys my review about this, and yeah, that's it. Okay guys, so I got myself a matcha latte. So you guys saw how I did it. I poured hot water, I frothed the matcha, and I frothed the milk as well. This is my first time trying it. How is it? How do you, so to be honest, okay, now I did this. I thought I failed because of the top, but so far it's looking good. The consistency looks very nice, as you guys can see here. Now it's the time to taste it. It smells good. It smells like coconut. It smells so good. So now I'm gonna have to taste it. Oh, and something else, I added actually 3% milk. The milk I had in my fridge instead of having normal almond milk that I would usually use. So this is good. Guys, this is very good. So the only thing I'm gonna have to say is I would add a little bit of sugar, just a little bit, but if I'm not trying to add sugar, it's perfectly fine without sugar as well. I'm actually surprised. Guys, this is very good. I was not expecting this. So let's break it down for a second, because I read all the instructions, I read everything about the matcha. So essentially this, I would replace this with, instead of coffee every morning. The fact that it has the matcha and a bit of caffeine in it, this is perfect. I am shook. And the fact that it has the coconut, you know, me and coconut, I love coconut. Not only my name is Coco, but I love coconut. So coconut in this is amazing, guys. Wow. Go get yourself some. It's so good. Oh my god. What? I'm amazed. So this doesn't taste as much. The matcha is not strong in this, which kind of balances out. And since collagen is good for skin, hair, and nails, so we're gonna give this a test and see how it is, and then I'll report back to you guys on my Instagram story. So stay tuned. I'm gonna be posting this on my story every morning on Instagram now, so be on the lookout for this, and definitely you can get yourself some by using my code. So that is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to give me a like, comment, and subscribe. Check out Teangle's website if you want to order some products from them. They do some amazing matcha, so go check them out. That they have, which is a collagen, and it comes in a combo for the matcha collagen with the milk frother. So it's really nice. You don't necessarily have to buy the milk frother separately. It comes in your box. And yeah, that's it. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.